In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform an inspection within MxAsset, which is A3J Group's mobile application for equipment operations for IBM Maximo. We have the ability to conduct an inspection. So when I click that conduct inspection, the first step is that I choose which route I want to perform. We're going to choose our quarterly pump service route, and it just confirms that I want to start that route. The first thing it'll do is present the first asset that's on the list with all of its meters, all of its active meters, I should say. And it shows you the meter name, the unit of measure, and the last reading there for you to make a decision on what needs to go in that box. So we're going to say 4250 is our pressure reading. Clear is the oil color. Our run hours actual is going to be 1000. And our thermal temperature reading is going to be 120 degrees. When we hit submit, the meter readings are captured to Maximo, and we move on to the next asset in the list. This one has an inlet pressure, an outlet pressure, and a delta reading for run hours. So we'll go ahead and say 500 there. This one simply has the delta for run hours associated with it. And on 100 degrees, and when we have completed all the different meter readings for every asset, we'll get a notice that says we've completed our round. Click OK to return to the home screen, and we'll be looking at the list of assets that we just did on our route. Thanks for watching this video on A3J Group's MxAsset from the MX Mobile suite of apps. For more information, you can go to our website at a3jgroup.com or connect with us on LinkedIn or Twitter. For inquiries, email info@a3jgroup.com or give us a call at 877-235-4774.